The Future Lawyers Camp 2016 was bigger than we expected. The camp originated from my desire to try to help the community by increasing the number of minority applicants to law school. Currently, only 9% of all lawyers are African American. 4% of those are African American women. This disparity is even more glaring considering the disproportionate representation of African Americans in the criminal justice system, as well as being negatively affected in the housing system, education, as well as employment systems. Educator KAYLA Thompson and I decided to make a fun, interactive learning experience where the children could learn firsthand how to be a lawyer and how to create change.
From enjoying life and stuff, trying to pull us down, put us down, trying to control us.
Okay. If we say all police bad, then they can say all black people are closed or all black people are a certain way. But most police are no help to the community. They are, like you said, bringing us down. They are trying to keep us in jail. They're trying to decrease our number of African Americans.
These kids said some of the most interesting things and had strong opinions already. Kids from ages 9 to 18 each had their own unique experiences with the criminal justice system. I had a friend come in, scare them, and have them run outside to view their crime scene. I had an officer, tape, as well as a body for them to examine and take notes. This was the start of the entire week focused on this one case, Timmy Turner versus the U.S.
Timmy Turner and Jimmy Neutron came into the store and robbed.
They learned about jury selection. They learned about direct examinations, cross-examinations. They learned about helping the witnesses. They learned about presenting evidence and getting it logged in.
Timmy Turner is guilty for the shot and death of the owner of the store yesterday because the 38 caliber gun that German Stevens was hit with was also found, even though they couldn't connect the bullet.
And my witness the what? Where she was when this crime happened.
You said that you wear contacts, like glasses, and were you wearing them on the day of the robbery?
Hey. All the way to the front. How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like it never stopped? On the third day, I decided to take them on a field trip to the 22nd Judicial Circuit Court, downtown St. Louis, where we met my mentor, the Honorable Judge David C. Mason.
Had a lot of challenges. Had a lot of times that we were homeless in New York. My mother.
Your Honor, may I enter with the whale?
You may.
Have you ever been discriminated against? Have you ever been shot at, or have had a family member, or have known a family member that has been shot at? Have you ever had something stripped away from you, like property, or maybe had something stolen away from you?
Your Honor, on August 1st, 2016, Timmy Turner had a 38 caliber gun.
There were 4 trials that I had got permission for the children to see. And these are real criminal trials so that they can see how the justice system worked. We had the children read the Dred Scott case out loud so that they could understand fully what occurred. Then we took them to the Dred Scott courthouse. It's the old courthouse in St. Louis. This is the place where Dred Scott and his wife walked up the steps a slave and came down free.
I just think it's interesting that we're all from St. Louis. We're all in St. Louis. It literally happened right here where we're from. So for me, when I was in law school, I was like, I'm trying to do this for Dred Scott, because Dred Scott was trying to fight for his freedom for his wife and his kids, and he went and tried to go to court and go this route. When it was illegal for slaves to even read, he taught himself how to read. He taught himself the law.
The kids got to show off everything that they learned. They got to do a full mock trial from beginning to end, each of them having specific parts and specific responsibilities.
You saw bullets at his house that could go into his gun. But the last time I asked you,
Alright, just tell me everything that happened, just like yesterday, okay? Just tell me everything, just like today.
Oh, what day?
On the day of August 1st.
Do you like wearing gloves down to the gun range?
I like wearing gloves to the gun range, but I don't invite you.
Overall, the kids had inherent knowledge about the judicial system, but we were able to tweak and fine-tune all of their knowledge. It is my thoughts that all the kids leave the camp not just wanting to be lawyers, but wanting to know and be involved. Like Malcolm X said, education is the passport to the future.